All right, so here we are with number 2. I got my Chromebook propped up on some cans, so I apologize for that, but they're working. So first step, we need to get these guys put in the standard form. We have to bring our 18 over to the other side, so we're going to subtract 18. We do the opposite. We go to the opposite side of the equal sign. We can't combine any like terms, so we go 2x squared plus 9x minus 18. So our a is equal to 2, b is equal to a positive 9, c is equal to negative 18. So we've got our quadratic formula up top. We are going to say x is equal to negative b, which is 9, plus or minus the square root of 9 squared, minus 4 times a, which was 2, times c, which is negative 18, all over 2 times a. Negative 9 out front, plus or minus 81. 9 squared is 81, minus 4 times 2, which is 18, minus times negative 18, so 4 times 2 times 18. So let me just show you that on the calculator. And let's get it on. 4 times 2 times 18 gives me 144. Now I just got to determine my signs. A negative times a negative gives me a positive 144 all over 4. Next we go x is equal to negative 9 plus or minus 81 plus 144 ends up being 225 all over 4. X is equal to negative 9 plus or minus. If you don't know this, the square root of 225 is 15. So 15 times 15 gives me 225. So the square root of 225 is 15 all over 4. So now when I write this out, I've got 2x intercepts because I have a parabola to u, 2 spots where it goes through the x-axis. So I've got x is equal to negative 9 plus 15, and x is equal to negative 9 minus 15. So we end up with, and all over 4. Sorry. Don't forget that 4. So we end up with x equal to negative 9 plus 15 gives me a positive 6 over 4. And then x minus 9 minus 15 gives me x is equal to negative 24 over 4. And we're going to end up with x is equal to negative 6. And x is equal to 1.5. So the parabola goes through 1.5 comma 0 and negative 6 comma 0. All right, I'm going to move on to number 3.